In the Kherson direction, up to 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 4 vehicles, and 1 Gvozdika. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kherson direction, up to 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 4 vehicles, and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery unit have suffered casualties during the day as a result of the shelling. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 83 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 127 areas during the day. In addition, 1 Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile system was obliterated close to Petropavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Su-27 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Mariinka in Donetsk People's Republic. Total 400 airplanes, 218 helicopters, 3,373 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,249 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,315 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,830 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!